Okay guys, customer video. This one's already sold. Mr. Adam, this is your 4-pill 454 with a sideband delay. This is one that was in the last inventory video. We're just going to check it out, make sure everything's good with it before it ships out. Check the amp draw on it, output, and everything else. 3-position switch, off in the middle, just regular AM there, and if you want the sideband delay, right there. So sideband delay, we'll make sure it works. We're just going to test it with this Connex, which does not have sideband, but we'll make sure the delay is working properly before it goes out here. And I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it or not because the fan almost overrides the sound of the relay, but I'll get real close to it here. Maybe you can hear that delay kicking in and out. No noises or anything like that coming through the radio. Always like to check that out, make sure nothing crazy is going on. Hello, hello, hello. So everything's good to go with the sideband delay. We'll go ahead and switch it down to just regular AM operation, I guess you'd say, for the video. Make sure everything's rolling good there. 50 watts peak, 20 watts average. Let's test our current draw. That's the 40 amp scale. Hello. So we're drawing more than 40 amps with the Connex hitting it. Let's go ahead and go up to the 400. Audio. 41 amps. So not too shabby there. Again, you hit this with a different radio that's not an export, it's not going to draw that much current, but this radio itself is probably drawing, 4 or 5 amps itself. So again, testing at 14.5 volts, if I didn't mention that already. So that being said, I think my meter's already on PEP. So we'll check and see what it's doing peak, and then we'll do average. So 1000 watt slug, 1000 watt scale. Hello, and that is on the audio. It's almost 600 watts. We'll call it a 580 or so. And just talking into the mic normal. Mic gains at about 3 o'clock on the radio. Still showing about 580 watts PEP. So pretty good there. Let's go to average. Three watt dead key giving us about 50 dead key out, 40 to 50 watts. Audio into about 240 average. And if you guys want to know what it does, just talking in the mic, average power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Audio, 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 audio. 200 watts or so average, just talking into the mic. And then audio into about 240 or so. That's it. Again, we're hitting it with a 50 watt radio. You could hit it with a little bit more, about 60 PEP. Excuse me. About 60 PEP would be my max recommendation. 3 watts carrier or so, maybe 3.5 going into it. So some of the newer exports like the Galaxy 66, the Galaxy 86, they would run fine with it. And you don't have to hit it that hard. You can hit it with a 35, 40 watt radio. Just expect a little bit less output out of it. This one's doing about 50 peak. So kind of a mild radio to drive it, I guess you'd say. Because not the most you can put in it, but certainly not the least you would put in it. Good running amp. I like these 4-pill 454s. I've got a couple in that just have AM only. This is the only one I had that had sideband. So, anyway, that being said, we'll wrap the video up. Oh, and just to show you, not drawing any current, just sitting here turned on. 0 amps. My radio actually draws a little bit because the light's on it. So, 0.3 amps with the radio turned on. And then 0 with the amp. So always like to show that, just so you know, no oscillating or drawing current while it's just sitting here running or anything. Good running amp. I think Mr. Adam will be very happy with what he gets here. and I like these 454s a good bit. All right, guys, got a lot of videos to do, lots of customer stuff coming out, going out. I appreciate everybody's business. I especially appreciate the folks that have already bought stuff, your patience. You know, understand you're not the only person that's ordered something. So I try to get to the orders in the order they come in, video them, box them up, and ship them out. You guys have a good one. Questions, comments, complaints, shoot me a text. 423-299-3535. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.